Welcome back to my channel, everybody. First of all, I want to start off by saying I'm sorry. I'm super sick right now. But today's video is a wig review, and this is Amiyah. I decided to show you guys how these lace front wigs come. So you'll see they come in a box and a bag. And then you take out the wig from the box, and they have netting over the hair to reserve the hair. And then inside you'll find some they basically stuff it with paper to kind of keep the wig's shape. So that's what I'm pulling out here. This wig has the standard cap construction with the 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, and it does have the adjustable straps. This is a lace front wig, so it does have the lace in the front that you will need to cut off. So a little bit of more information on this wig. This wig is an Outre wig. It's a lace front wig, and this style is Amiyah. I got Amiyah in the color 2T30. She does come with a curved parting, which is really nice actually. The parting space is really nice. She is safe up to 400 degrees with your curling iron or your flat iron. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the lace now. And this is what she's looking like. I didn't pluck any hair from the part because, again, I think the parting is actually pretty darn nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put some concealer in the parting. I actually just use powder. I do put concealer on the bottom of my wigs to hide those knots, and I'll show you guys that later in another video. But here I'm just adjusting the ear tabs and making sure the wig fits right. With this one, I didn't feel like I had to do any baby hairs because it's a side part, and side parts are really nice in that sense. I did find that the wig was a little bit puffy, so I went ahead and took my curling iron and just flattened out the side as well as the back. I didn't do the front there where the flip is because I wanted that to be a little bit more volumized. And this is exactly what I was talking about, like that deep part with the volume bang is awesome. So this is what she's looking at like from behind. She's not a super long unit, but she's actually perfectly, I love this length. And the curl pattern on her is amazing, you guys. She's actually a really pretty unit. So I'm just going to style her in a couple ways. I went ahead and did a deep part here, which I really like the deep part. It looks kind of sexy and glamorous. And then this is another way I like to wear my hair, is just tucked behind the ear. I like side parts, and then I'll take the side that doesn't have the part and just tuck it behind my ear for a little bit of a glamorous look. And then next, I'm just going to take a bobby pin and pin the side of the hair there to just give it a little bit of a wavy look with the bobby pin on the side. But yeah, that's it for this wig review, you guys. I'm loving this wig. I highly recommend her. I think she's beginner friendly. She's a beautiful unit. And hopefully on the next one, I'll be feeling better and I'll be able to actually talk and you can understand me. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this hair. And I'll see you all on the next one. Mwah.